Hello friends, my name is Renu Birla and I'm talking about Gunas. Uh, so like everything is within the Prakriti is made up of Gunas and these are three Gunas which is Tamasic, Rajasic and Sattvic. So Tamasic means darkness, Tamas means darkness and Rajas means activity and Sattva means purity. So these gunas are present in all beings and objects, but it varies. It varies in their amount. Sometimes rajas is more, sometimes we feel tamas is more. So, but we can alter. We can consciously alter the levels of these gunas in our body and mind. So it cannot be removed, but it can be like consciously act upon to increase and decrease. So tamas is a state of darkness, inertia, laziness, inactivity. Tamas manifests from ignorance. So, to reduce tamas, to avoid tamasic food, and we need to work on like which is meat, egg, stale food, processed food, alcohol, and tamas is required for a limited period. Tamas is required as we our body needs a rest, our mind needs it, but it should be in a limit because once if it is goes out of limit, then like oversleeping, overeating, then it is very harmful for our health. The tamasic food leads us to like many complaints such as like obesity, diabetes, heart issues, liver issues. So you feel unmotivated and careless and unaware of yourself. So tamas need to be removed. It should be there in a very limited amount. And then we talk about rajas. Rajas is a state of energy, action, changes, movement. So the nature of rajas, bind us to the fruit of our action. Uh, so we need to reduce rajasic food also. To reduce rajasic state in us, we need to remove rajasic food like spicy food, onion, garlic, fried food, soft drinks, sugary food. Because too much of sugar gives us a lift for a time being, but ultimately we experience a low and experience stress after having it. So Rajasi diet destroys our mind and body equilibrium. And Rajasic person will eat on the run. So he experiences poor digestion and health issues as a result. Rajasic person will have restlessness, stress, anger, and overactiveness. Um, uh, when we talk about sattva is a sattva is a state of harmony. It's a state of balance, joy, intelligence. So sattva is a guna which reduces both rajas and tamas uh, and make our liberation possible. Enjoy activity and environments that produce joy and positive thought. So sattvic food include freshly cooked food, fresh vegetables and fresh fruits to grow, which grows on the ground. So mind is highly fluctuated uh, and unstable between the different gunas. So if the mind is in rajas mode, in rajas state, so it will experience chaos or confusion. If mind is tamas, then it will experience dullness, unaware of things, it will remain. So, so when one rises above all these gunas, uh, uh, that originates in the body, is free from birth and death, and he will experience enlightenment. Though yoga, we have to transcend from misidentification of the self with gunas, to be unattached to both positive negative qualities of life. Sattvic diet is pure vegetarian diet like nuts, seeds, honey, herbs, milk. So these foods will raise our consciousness and inspire us to be positive and have deeper meditation, and we see our hidden potential and creativity. Sattvic food is cooked, freshly cooked food, and it is cooked with love and affection and eaten with full awareness, with gratitude. So apart from the health aspects, the main reason being sattvic, that all living beings are like us. So if we think that way, then all the creatures need to be treated with respect and love. Nothing will benefit human and increase the chances for survival on earth, just evolution to a vegetarian diet. Thank you.